Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, after following every single process and steps I'll be sharing with you guys, you'll be having access to a free 50k account which you'll be getting, and also you are going to be having access to a free 5k account also. So you just need to pay attention to the steps I'll be sharing and make sure you end up getting the account. Now a platform actually reached out to me yesterday, sometime around yesterday, and trying to cooperate, and at the end, in cooperation, they'll be giving out free accounts to some members of the community. It's not for everyone because they actually just wanted to give it out based on their capacity, and actually what I actually requested for was more, but that's the amount they can actually give out, and I will be the one to determine the requirement the members of the community need to meet to be able to get this free account. It will be given out to 5 different people, and I assure you this platform is actually one of the best because based on their criteria, they are one of the best based on the things I have actually seen with them. I'm actually trading with them also, so based on the cooperation, they'll be giving out free account to 5 members of the community. So in tomorrow's video, which I'll be dropping a video tomorrow, and I want you to get prepared. Like, the accounts are ready, I just need you guys to meet with the requirements, and I'll be giving it out by tomorrow. That's in tomorrow's video. I'll be sharing full details about the account. So if you're just coming across this channel, first thing I want you to do is to subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscription button. You can see it's right there on your screen. While watching the video, you see a subscription button by your right. You click on it, then it shows you details of you turning on your notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop updates like this. So you don't want to miss out. Just click on notification bell, it turns it on. Anytime I drop updates, you get notified in your YouTube notification at the top of the screen that I've dropped videos on. This is what I drop videos on. So secondly, I want you to leave a comment in the comment section the country where you're watching us from. Now basically, YouTube actually shares our videos to different countries with different people with different interests. Now if you're commenting in the country where you're watching us from, you get to meet with other audience who are from the same country as you are, and also they also have same interests as you. So you don't want to miss out. Just leave a comment in the comment section, and in case you have friends and colleagues who are also in the same interests as you, who also are in need of free accounts to trade the forex market, just share this video with them, and then they get to benefit from the available options we have right now. And like I said, there's a free account which I'll be dropping tomorrow. You don't want them to miss out on it. You can actually share with your friends, so you and your friends can actually get the account at the same time, and you share ideas when it's time to trade, so you guys know you have same interest at the same time. So one of the things I don't want you guys to miss out, so once you've subscribed, the next thing is to follow the steps I'll be sharing right now. And firstly, you need to check the comment section. There's a pinned link. The link you find in the comment section have been pinned. You just need to click on the link. It will take you straight to the Telegram channel, and I don't want anyone to miss out on this update. So firstly, once you get to the Telegram channel, you click on join to participate. Join the Telegram channel. That's where I actually first drop update before actually putting it to YouTube, to make sure everyone don't miss out. So you get active on Telegram, and that way you don't miss out on any updates. So next thing, once you click on the link you find in the comment section, it takes you directly to the link in the Telegram, which you click on, that will take you to this platform right here on our screen. Now basically, this platform will be giving out a free 50k account if you actually follow my steps like I said earlier, and you can see details like this showing on the screen about the platform. So you can see what you need to do is to, first of all, click on these 3 lines at the top. We need to create an account with them. So I just clicked on logged in, and you can see it brings me right here showing details like this. But for you, if you're actually clicking on the link which I'll be giving, it will take you straight to where you're going to sign up. You don't need to see all this their main site. It will take you right here asking you to sign up. So what you need to do is to fill in your username, your email address, add your mobile phone number, and you create a password. Make sure the password is correct, and you confirm the password once again. And right here, email verification code, you just need to click on get code, and the email you add at the top right here, the code will be sent to the email, and you just copy the code, come back here to add it, and you just click on sign up. Now before you click on sign up, make sure you agree to these terms and conditions right here by clicking on these boxes. And immediately after this, and you verify the code, you'll be logged into the app. Now I'm actually just showing you guys this because I already have an account with them. So I just need to log into the app since I have an account with them already. Now I just need to input my username or my email address into this section right here. So right there I clicked on logged in, and the next thing to take me straight to my dashboard, having details just like this. This is the platform, and you can see the name at the top. It's AIFO, which is the name of the platform right there. So without wasting time, we need to click on this section right here that says reward right here, and you can take a look at. You just have to complete some tasks to get this account. Now a lot of platforms who actually gives opportunity just like this, where you have to complete tasks to get reward. A lot of them actually don't create tasks which will give you enough points. Now take a look at this. This is enough points that will be giving us enough reward. If you're able to accumulate enough points, there's a reward we should be getting. Now you can see for the main tags, you can see right here the first one says purchase a 200k profit account right here. You don't need to stress yourself doing those ones. Now this right here also says a purchase a 100k account. Those ones might look a little bit difficult, so you don't need to purchase to accumulate points. Now you can actually just keep these ones that says purchase and scroll up a little bit to some sections right here that says invite friends. Now you can see the 4 registration sprint, invite friends, and you'll be getting 900 points for that. And right here you scroll up a little bit more, you get to see this one that says academic basic. Now there's a section of this site where you actually complete academic section, and also you'll be getting the 500 points for that. Okay, let's add that to the 900 points, which that one, the first 900 one, which this one looks easy. You can get that 900 plus this 500, that's 1400 points accumulated in total for now. Now it says the 1 registration sprint Discord verify. Now if you join their Discord and verify you joining their Discord, you get 800. Now additionally with the 1400, that makes it 2200 at hand right now. That's the points which you can actually accumulate. 2200 already in ground on ground. And now invite friends to purchase. You can actually just keep this for now, and also invite a friend to join AIFO Discord and register standard. Now if you invite a friend to join, you also get 200 points, which makes it 2400 points in total right now. Now share your payout. You can actually skip this for now. AIFO Discord verification. Now join the Discord and verify. You get 300 points for that, which makes it 2700 points at hand right now. Now it says join AIFO Discord standard. Now if you click the AIFO Discord link and join the community, take a screenshot after joining and then upload your screenshot, you'll be getting 200 points, which makes it 2900 points at hand. Now that's 2900 points. Now let's see what 2900 points can give us right there. So you scroll back to the top and then you click on reward. Now see the available options. This says 3-step 10k account. The first one says 3-step 10k account. The 10k account which requires 1000 points. You see, you just need 1000 points to claim this. Now for this right here, it says fast payouts on demand. We don't need that. We don't need all this. Now this says two-step 50k account. You need 20k points for this one. And scroll up a little bit more. It says 2-step 25k account. You need 15k points. For this also it says 2-step 10k account. You need 8000 points. Now the points we have at hand is not up to all those, so you can just leave those ones. And you scroll up a little bit more. 3-step 50k account. You need 16,000 points. For 3-step 25k account, you need 10,000 points. So right here it says 3-step 10k account, you need 6,000 points. And let's see the last one that says 3-step 25k account, you need 2,000 points. So there's a high chance you can get a 25k 3-step account. And also let's see the other ones which I actually mentioned. 25k 3-step account. Oh, 25k 3-step account right there for 2k. And the first one also, which is just for 1000, which is just for 1k, it says 3-step account, which is just for, which is you just need 1k to unlock it. Now once you've gotten you've been able to accumulate your points, just go straight to the reward section and unlock this account. So don't miss out on any of these updates and stay updated for tomorrow's video, so you'll be able to be among those that will be getting the free account. Have a nice day everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.